In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add an image zoom hover effect on Wix. So this is what it's going to look like. Here's how you do it. So you need to first go inside of your Wix editor on the website you want to add an image to. Now what you can do from here, you don't need to add a standard image. What you actually need to do is go to add elements and then type in the search box hover. So type in hover and then it should bring up the container boxes with all of these different hover boxes that you can use. Now these are all kind of different styles and they don't have a blank image hover box, but what we can do is we can use this one and then we can delete any unnecessary elements that we need. So if we click on this, we can add it to our website. Now here you can see once you've clicked on it, you've got regular and you've got hover. So currently when someone hovers over it, this rectangle will kind of like get bigger. Now what we can do is we can change out these photos. We can also delete any of this rectangle that we don't want. And we can just make it so when someone hovers over the photo, it gets bigger, just like the example. So here's how I would do that. So first you want to click on regular, then click on the image and make sure you are precisely on the image. And then you get this change image button. Click on that and then you can upload your own image. I'm just uploading a random image here that I've already got on Wix, but you could upload media in the top left hand corner and upload from your computer. So when you click on change image, it then should change it for both the regular image and the hover image. Now what we can do is we can go ahead and click on this vector art. We can click delete on the keyboard. Now you may need to then click on the text individually and delete all of the text that you don't want. And this can get a bit fiddly, but you've just got to play around with it. What you can do from here is you can go to the hover section. Then if you go choose effect, you can then make this grow. You can also make it shrink. You can make it rotate, but for the video, I'm assuming you want it to make it grow. So click grow and then click customize, and you can then choose how big you want to grow from. So I'll make it really big just for the example. Then once you've done that, you just preview it and just see if it's working, see if you like this template. There are others you can use. There are more landscape templates, but because we've got a portrait one, this is what it looks like. And on hover, you can see it gets bigger. So that's how you can make the effect. I hope that quick video was helpful. Let me know in the comments if it was.